Welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to see who's shared your reels on Instagram. So to do that, head over to your Instagram application and make sure you have logged in into your desired account and head over to your profile picture. And here, as you can see, I am in my profile and it is a professional account. So I have already posted a reel, as you can see. So if I head over to the reel, you can see 12 people shared this reel. So let's head over to the three dots icon on the upper right corner and go to view insights. And here you can find overview, views, watch time, interactions, in which there are share count too. So yeah, and you get your accounts engaged with your reel. So you must make your account a professional or business account so that you can know who shared your reel. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.